As you may recall from part 1 of our video on passive income ideas, the last 3 options we showed you were about passive income ideas requiring upfront time investment. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the description box below for the link to the part 1 video. But before we jump into part 2 of our list, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Be Financially Independent. For today's video, we will talk about a few more passive income ideas. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified of every new upload. So, as we mentioned in our previous part 1 video, the last 3 options are about passive income ideas requiring upfront time investment. But what exactly is that? As a result, the following section of passive income ideas necessitates a time investment. To make these things happen, you must put in sweat equity rather than money. Almost all of these suggestions necessitate the creation of a personal blog or website. But the best part is that it's incredibly cheap to do. To get started, we recommend Bluehost. You get a free domain name, and hosting starts at just $2.95 per month. A deal you won't find anywhere else on the internet. You can afford to do so to begin building a passive income stream. Aside from selling books, creating Udemy accounts, and selling stock photos, which were all mentioned in part 1, please make sure to watch that video as well. In any case, you can earn money passively by licensing music. Just like stock photos, you can license your music and earn royalty when someone uses it. Music is frequently licensed for YouTube videos, commercials, and other uses. Music is in higher demand now than ever, thanks to the proliferation of YouTube videos and podcasts, and people are willing to pay for it. The most important thing is to get your music into a searchable library. You can also develop an app. If you own a smartphone or tablet, it's safe to assume you have several apps installed. But have you ever had a brilliant app idea? If this is the case, you may want to consider hiring a programmer to create your app for you. You could then resell it on the App Store for recurring revenue. Affiliate marketing is another excellent option. Affiliate marketing is the practice of collaborating with a company by becoming its affiliate to earn a commission on a product. This method of generating income is most effective for those who have blogs and websites. Even so, it takes a long time to accumulate before becoming passive. You could also experiment with network marketing. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, appears to be on the rise. Multi-level marketing companies include Young Living Oils, Avon, Pampered Chef, and Advocare. You can earn passive income through network marketing by building a team beneath you, also known as a downline. When you have a large team, you can earn commissions on their sales without doing much work. Another way to earn money passively is to design t-shirts. Users can custom design items such as t-shirts on websites such as Cafe Press. If your design is popular and sells well, you will be able to earn royalties. We also recommend you sell digital files on Etsy. For example, you have recently become interested in home decor, and you had to turn to Etsy to find exactly what you were looking for. You ended up buying digital files of the artwork you wanted to print. The seller had created a large amount of wall art, digitized it, and listed it on Etsy for immediate download. Monthly planners are among the most popular digital files on Etsy. If you enjoy graphic design, this could be a fantastic passive income opportunity for you. Hey there, mate. Before we share some semi-passive small business ideas with you, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and check out the first part of the video for more passive income ideas. Okay, we call this semi-passive income because there are more like a business than the previous ideas. They all necessitate a small investment of both time and money. However, once you start investing, you can earn more money and usually do so passively. However, these require some ongoing time investment, so they aren't as passive as having a savings account. The first suggestion is to list your property on Airbnb. If you have a house, apartment, spare room, or even a backyard, consider listing it on Airbnb and earning money when your space is booked. Sign up for a spot today. Airbnb is fantastic because it allows you to earn money from a space that you already own. It does require some work up front to prepare your space, list it, and clean up after your guests, but it's otherwise very passive. Then there's car wash. Owning a car wash has always been a dream of mine. This appears to be a fantastic way to earn a semi-passive income. While regular maintenance is required at a car wash, it is something that you can hire out or do yourself once a week. On a side note, we discussed the most basic car wash, which consists of cinder blocks, a pressure washer, and a coin-operated machine. If you're going to run a drive-through car wash, it's a business, not a side hustle. Another option is to rent out your vehicle. You can list your car for rent in the same way that you can list your home for rent. This can be truly passive because listing your car can earn you money even when you're not using it. Vending machines are another option. Another low-maintenance small business idea is vending machines. My friend owns vending machines in several neighboring towns. Every 2 weeks, he replenishes and cashes them out. His vending machine company is part of his retirement plan. Storage rentals are another excellent idea. We know someone who owns a collection of storage units and receives monthly payments for renting them out to customers. Unfortunately, the only time she appears to do any work for these is when one of the storage units becomes available. If you are unsure about entering this market, you can invest in storage rentals through an REIT. We also recommend that you try out laundromat. We debated including this one because while it appears that owning a laundromat would be semi-passive in theory, we anticipate that there would be a significant amount of ongoing maintenance required. Therefore, this one is up to you to decide. Last but not least, we wanted to highlight a couple of simple passive income ideas. These do not necessitate any money or effort on your part. Even if the earnings are low, you can't beat easy passive income. The first concept is cashback rewards cards. If you use a credit card to pay your bills, make sure it offers cashback rewards. You can wait for your rewards to accumulate for a while before putting the easy money you earned toward another passive income venture. Also, make sure the card you choose does not have an annual fee, or you may lose your rewards. The cashback sites are similar. When shopping online, you should use a cashback site, just like you would with a cashback rewards card. If you don't, you're receiving free money that requires little to no effort. We simply compare the two most popular websites, Rakuten and Top Cashback. Finally, you can get paid to have an app on your phone. What if you could get paid to install an app on your phone? Yes, this app monitors your activities and sells your data, but what could be more passive than that? Check out Nielsen Digital if you don't want to do anything out of the ordinary. Simply download the app and go about your business as usual. The app runs in the background and you are automatically entered to win prizes. It's a simple and easy way to get money for nothing. You can get the app here. Mobile Expression is a similar iPad app. Installing it and keeping it on your device for at least 90 days will earn you rewards. And then whoosh, you are compensated. Before we conclude this video, please keep in mind that passive income is not your position. In general, passive income is not income derived from something you have a material interest in, such as a wages from a job, a secondary job. Getting a second job will not qualify as a passive income stream because you will still need to show up and do the work to be paid. Passive income is about generating a consistent stream of income without putting in a lot of effort. Non-income generating assets. Investing can be an excellent way to generate passive income, but only if your assets pay dividend or interest. Non-dividend paying stocks and assets such as cryptocurrencies may be exciting, but they will not provide you with passive income. And that's it for today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications to be notified of every upload. This is Be Financially Independent, and we'll see you in our next video.